At Steamax EnviroCare, we're redefining the future of sustainable energy. Recently, we help a leading pharmaceutical company in Maharashtra transforming their 5 TPH oil-fired boiler to biomass. Let's take a closer look at this engineering marvel. Our team of experts executed a retrofit, implementing our flagship OBR-Max biomass solution. We integrated cutting-edge components, including the spreader fan and interconnecting duct, the robust downcomer header and water wall pressure, air pollution control devices like the bag filter, and cyclone dust collector to significantly reduce the particulate emissions. The auto fuel feeding kit, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation, and the electrical boiler panel, providing total control of the systems. By converting their boiler to biomass, this pharmaceutical leader has achieved cleaner, high-efficiency biomass combustion, enhanced operational performance with smart automation, a significant cut in emissions, contributing to a greener environment. At Steamax EnviroCare, we're not just installing equipment, we're building a sustainable future, one project at a time. Whether it's reducing operational costs or minimizing carbon footprints, our solutions are designed to drive results. Join us on our journey towards a cleaner, greener tomorrow. Contact Steamax EnviroCare today and power your business with the sustainable edge.